Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a product that I received from Nyasha. Yes, she is Zimbabwean and she is a business owner. So she owns the company Rena Hair, and Rena Hair is a natural hair company that focuses on your scalp. So the products that she sent me are the hair and scalp serum and the hair elixir, which has 100% naturally derived ingredients. So the hair and scalp serum is used for nourishing and moisturizing your scalp, alleviating itchiness, dryness, and dandruff. It can be used as a pre-poo. It can be used as a hot oil treatment. There's so many different ways that you can use the serum. Then there's the elixir, which is used to help alleviate your itching, your dryness, and overall scalp care. So this one smells really nice. It has like a nice subtle peppermint smell. And this is the one that I'm really excited to try out. I was also sent a derma roller in the package, and a derma roller is essentially little needles, micro needles that are used, and you can roll that on certain areas of your skin or your scalp. It promotes collagen production, it promotes growth, and it just helps stimulate that area to help it grow. So I'm going to be doing that on this section of my scalp, which is my problem area, the generational hairline that I got from someone in my family. I won't name names. So I'm going to be using some isopropyl alcohol to prep the derma roller and to prep my hair as well. So I'm going to be trying out the derma roller first because I've actually never used one, held one, or been in contact with one. So this was a new experience for me. It didn't hurt as much as I had expected because they're only tiny micro needles. It's not meant to hurt you. It's not meant to penetrate your skin like that. It's really meant to be subtle. So I made sure that I cleaned the derma roller with some isopropyl alcohol. I dipped it in some alcohol and then I made sure that I rolled the alcohol on it as well. Then I made sure that I cleaned the surface area that I'll be working on to make sure that I don't get any reactions, any bacteria or things like that. It's important to always clean the area that you're working on when you're penetrating the skin. So after I had done that, I went in and read the instructions. It's really important to read instructions for things like this, and the instructions are very clear on the box, but there's more thorough instructions in the box explaining what you should do and things like that. So essentially, you go up and down twice, and then you go side to side twice, then you go diagonally one way twice, then you go diagonally one way the other time as well. It's all on the box for you to read. So this is not about pressure, this is not about force, you're only meant to lightly do this. So as you can see with me doing it, it's only subtle, it's only light, you're only meant to make micro abrasions, not abrasions in your hair. It's only to stimulate your hair and stimulate that part of your scalp so that it helps increase blood flow, increase collagen production, and stimulate growth. This didn't hurt at all. As you can see, I'm not even flinching or anything like that. So after I had done one side, I went in and did the other side as well, following the instructions that were on the box so I don't make any mistakes. Obviously with things like this, anything in life, the more you do it and the more repetition you have, the better it is. The more consistent you are, the more you'll see your results. So after I had finished doing it, I made sure I cleaned the derma roller, and then I went in with the serum as per the instructions. So we said just add a little bit of the serum and then rub it into your scalp, massage it into the area that you have just derma rolled, and you're pretty much done and you're laughing. So this is really quick, this is really easy, it's something that you can do, with no time. Next, I'm going to be trying out the hair serum, and this is something that I was really excited to try. I've never tried a hair serum, especially a natural hair one, or one that's, you know, designed for our hair texture. So as per the instructions, I just went in and put the serum on my scalp, and I was so surprised by the texture. It's like a gel texture. It's not like an oily texture. It's like an oily gel in a sense. And as soon as I put it in my hair, I could see that my hair just soaked it up. It was just like, and it was gone. My hair really liked it. This is something that you can definitely use when you're in a rush to do it the way that I'm doing it, or you can separate your hair and create, you know, some lines and stuff like that, so you can properly put it in and massage your hair and stuff like that. Also, it'd be good when you have braids. Since it's got the dropper, it's really quick and easy for you to use, and it smells delicious as well. The peppermint is not overpowering. It's really nice and really subtle. So the hair elixir is formulated for those who are suffering from thinning, alopecia, and, you know, itchiness, bald spots, and things like that. This is definitely one of my favorite products, and one that I'll be using on a regular basis. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. I really wanted to try this out and show you, just to support black businesses, at the same time try something new that I know a lot of you guys have issues with and are looking for a solution for. So I hope that this product is a solution for you, and that it might help, or it might be something that you're worth considering. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts, and like if you like the video, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.